Now, CBS 4 weather with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer.
Well, I've had a pretty nice evening after a stormy afternoon, nice morning, and we'll probably see something similar tomorrow. The air is still very moist and unstable, and it's kind of hard to time when the storms are going to develop, but they'll likely develop during the morning hours once the sun starts to heat us up. Nice right now, though, across South Florida, but it's not going to last much longer because here comes another line of thunderstorms coming up from the south across the straits, and we'll be pushing into parts of Miami-Dade and Broward in about 2 or 3 hours. That's going to be after midnight, but if you hear a rumble of thunder or hear the rain or the wind come up, that's going to be the reason why. So our Rusty Pelican camera this evening looking pretty good. Temperatures rain cooled again today and still hovering in the 70s. 79 in Miami, 79 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 82 in Key West. Of course, summertime humidity at 88%, 7 on the stickiness scale, gentle east-southeast breeze, and 1 2/3 inches of rain at MIA. Miami International, one of the heavier spots of rainfall. Opelika also picking up over an inch, and the beach is picking up nearly 2 inches, especially on Key Biscayne, as these heavy storms persist. High temperatures today made it up into the 80s before the storms got going this afternoon, and current temperatures, everybody's in the 70s to right around 80 degrees. A nice evening. So we've got lots of deep tropical moisture over us as part of a tropical wave that's pushing to the west. Once the wave gets on west of us and out in the Gulf of Mexico, our weather should improve. But some storms off and on tonight, storms off and on again tomorrow. By tomorrow night, I think things begin to settle down, and then we kind of get into just a typical summertime pattern where we see some spotty storms here or there, warm sunshine, and a nice ocean breeze, and that should take us right through the weekend. So this weekend, not looking like a half and half. Remember last weekend, Saturday was kind of cloudy with some showers around. Sunday, not too bad, but this weekend should be mostly nice. The tropics, mostly quiet. There's one little low pressure area up in the North Atlantic, and it may drift to the southwest, but basically development not expected throughout the Atlantic. We're keeping our eyes, of course, on the tropical waves getting later in the season, but right now, nothing going on out there. Temperatures across the country, they are staying hot in the southwest, above 100 degrees in many locations, but much of the middle part of the country and the east is nice. 60s, 70s, and 80s for current temperatures. For us tonight, passing downpours coming in a little bit later on. Some gusty winds as well with those storms. Temperatures in the mid-70s overnight. Tomorrow, look for a mix of sun and clouds. Probably more clouds than sun, and storms once again around. I'm not going to really time it. Could be in the morning, could be in the afternoon. The high near 88. Keep the umbrellas handy. East to 10 to 15 on the water. Seas running 2 to 3 feet of light chop on the bays, taking us through the rest of the weekend and after tomorrow's storms, it's looking more like typical summertime weather. CBS 4 News Tonight's coming right back.